Hello guys, today we will run with I am Ashwin Jakane. Today we will learn about the gas turbine working principles. How turbine work as an overview. Not in detail, but we will just learn how the gas turbine working principle operates various kind of principles of gas turbine. Gas turbine engines derives their power from burning fuel in the combustion chamber and using the fast flowing combustion gases to drive a turbine in much the same way as the high pressure steam drives a steam turbine. A simple gas turbine is comprised of three main sections: a compressor, a combustor, and a power turbine. The gas turbine operates on the principle of Brayton cycle. Here is the most important one. Brayton cycle is there. Three main parts: compressor, combustion, and the power turbine, where the compressed air is mixed with the fuel and burned under the constant pressure conditions. The resulting hot gas is allowed to expand through a turbine to perform a work. Here you can find the systematic gas turbine with the generation diagram. Here inlet air, compressed air, compressor, preheated air, hot gases, combustor, fuel, power turbine, and exhaust gas. So as we discussed, its use the power of fuel and runs steam turbine. As the principle of the gas turbine, a working gas is compressed by the compressor and heated by combustion energy of the fuel. At the first, the working gas becomes the high pressure, high temperature. The engine converts the energy of working gas into the rotatory engine of the blade, making use of the interaction between the gas and the blade. Here you can find inlet air compressed by the compressed air. The condenser generates the steam and the power, and compressor which rotates these kind of blades, and as the output we just produced electricity. So main function is that to produce electricity with the optimum efficiency. So we all engineers works for the efficiency purpose. As shown in the below figure, there are two types of gas turbine. One is the open cycle internal type, and another closed type external type. Basic component of both types are the air compressor, a combustor, and the turbine. There are basic components: combustor, compressor, and power turbine. These are the basic components in each and every kind of gas turbine. A gas turbine can handle a larger flow than that of the reciprocating internal combustion engine because it utilizes a continuous combustion. Then the gas turbine is suitable as the higher power engine. The gas turbine for airplane called jet engine make use of this advantage. Gas turbine, which is situated in jet plane, uses this kind of concept for the most. Here is that generally two speaking gas turbine are there. One open cycle and second one is closed cycle gas turbine. Here you can find another one where intercooler is there, low pressure compressor, high pressure compressor, hot gases, exhaust gases. Here as the part of waste we can see that exhaust gases are there. By using much kind of pressure we can generate electricity. Fuel is used in this kind of combustor. In Gas turbine with the high pressure ratios can use an intercooler to cool the air between the stages of compressor and allowing you to burn more fuel and generate more power. Remember, the limiting factor on fuel input is the temperature of the hot gas created because the metallurgy of the first stage nozzle and the turbine blades. With the advantages of material technology, this physical limit is always climbing. So figure shows illustration of gas turbine using intercooling heat exchanger, and this turbine can handle a larger gas flow than that of the reciprocating internal combustion engine because it utilizes the continuous combustion. Then the gas turbine is suitable as the higher power engine. So here we keep end for this video. Next video we will go further for the gas turbine. Thank you for watching.